I joined PKM family to deliver happiness for all of you guys, and I'm so very grateful to be a part of this. Thank you, Admin Jan, Admin Yasa, Admin Bicol, Admin JP, for creating such an awesome page. And also, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you for the very special person I've ever known. Admin Viv, thank you so much. Admin Jelay, thank you. Admin Bicol, thank you po. Admin Buboy na sobrang kulit. Admin Myra, Admin Chi for joining me here. To all the admins, president, members, thank you po for the warm welcome. I hope our relationship will grow more stronger as the day pass by, more powerful to us. To all the likers and commenters po, maraming salamat po for keep on believing and supporting PKM. God bless you all po. Kung di dahil po sa inyo, wala po kami rito. Happy 2nd year anniversary PKM. And Merry Christmas po to all. I love you. Admin Kikay here.